What do you get when you combine the finest ASE master technician, auto service, and mechanical repair with top-flight gasoline or diesel, propane for your grill or RV, U-Haul rentals, a mini store with lots of craft beer and a friendly service? What I just described is very rare for the traditional full-service auto service station, but it perfectly describes the Wilderness Auto Service in Maple Valley. I'm owner Eric Van Ruff, and my family has owned and operated Wilderness Auto Service for nearly 50 years. See us for gas, or anytime your vehicle is making some kind of noise you need investigated. We can help.
Wouldn't it be nice to have a car free of repairs and maintenance? Of course, that'll never happen. All vehicles need help once in a while, but if you are informed and look hard, you can find a vehicle for you that is more reliable and less costly to repair than others. U.S. News & World Report tells us about their favorites for 2023 in the category of ease and inexpensive repair and maintenance. The Buick Encore GX and the Nissan Murano can save you money and have excellent reliability scores based on data from J.D. Power & Associates. Great warranties are another way to lower your repair expenses. Kia, Hyundai, Genesis, and Mitsubishi have the best warranties in the industry. These four automakers back their new cars with a 6-year, 60,000-mile basic warranty and a 10-year and 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. U.S. News points out that Subarus make it easier to do it yourself with highlighted inspection points and brightly colored user-serviceable areas. And with their fervent enthusiasts, you can usually find a fix-it video on YouTube. Full-size pickup trucks are the most popular vehicles in America. As such, the Chevy Silverado, Ford F-150, and Ram 1500 have roomy engine compartments for easy-to-reach maintenance, though they mention that older trucks, and specifically the pre-2014 Silverado, allow for much easier maintenance. There are other vehicles worth mentioning, but we'll save that for our next video. See you then.
Bring your car or truck to Wilderness Auto Service today for gas or service help or to pick up some beer or soda on the way home. See you soon.